Hello everyone. This is the first time that I have one to show you that I am excited about for a couple of reasons. This looks extremely natural, as you can tell. What I'm wearing is not your average topper. This is called the Harper Ultra-Breathable Full Lace Human Hair Hairline Topper. It is just a strip that goes, it is for women who have thinning hair right up here around the hairline and in the top. This is just a 1.5 by 11 inch strip of lace. And then, so it only covers just this little area right here. And then you blend your bio hair, which is, here's my bio hair. You just blend that in and it's seamless. Right? You can't see where one stops and the other begins. This one does not need any glue. It is secured with what they call a halo wire, a very thin elastic wire that you can adjust so that it fits your head. You put this on, the wire goes around the back and it just holds it on. It just holds it there. This looks like natural hair because it is natural hair. All right, so let me show you how I put this on, how you put this on. It is so easy. All right, so we're going to put on this hairline topper from UniWigs. This is it right here. It's got invisible lace. You see that? And what's really unique about this is if you've ever had a topper that you did not feel was secure or you're having trouble keeping it secure, this, instead of installing with clips, it uses this band. And when you get this at home, you can adjust the band and you do it right here at the sides. There's this little clippy thing here. Move it up like that, pull the short end like that, and it will then tighten this for you, and you can just pull that back like that. Let's prepare my hair. Okay, first thing you want to do is you're going to put most of your hair back in a twist tie. And so you see I'm just leaving a little bit out. The reason why I'm leaving that out like that is because I'm going to have that band around here. So I'm just going to take this band, put this right here, and stretch the band so that it's underneath the ponytail. And then we can adjust this. So what I'm then going to do is take my bio hair out of that and bring it forward so that it's over the sides here. Bring it over the sides so that that's hidden. And same thing on this side, just gonna bring my hair forward and a little bit over the sides. And there you are. And this feels really good. This feels nice. This does not feel like it's gonna move or anything like that. Oh, and there's you can see a close-up of the scalp, and there's the lace, but it is invisible. Wow. Yes! Yes! So this can be a game changer for so many women, particularly me whose hairline is thinned so much, and so my hairline has receded. This is perfect. The thing that I can tell you about this that is different from any other topper that I have tried on is how comfortable and secure this feels. This feels like, yeah, let a big windstorm blow up. It's not going to, separate from your bio hair or pull on your bio hair. It is completely comfortable. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching today.